Hello, Hadia. Hi, it's time to school. Miwais and Hadia are ready, and it is raining today. Hadia, what are you doing? No, careful. Careful, Hadia. Hadia, it's raining. It's raining. Anyways, you like your umbrella? Yeah. Well, come there. Anyways, you like your umbrella? Yeah?
You got little banana and I got giant banana.
Yeah, bananas, banana. Run. Come, guys, come. Come, hurry up. Careful. Come, Hadia. Yeah.
How do you do this to me?
Hadia, careful, please. Yeah. Careful, me, wise. What is it? No, do not touch the grass. Your feet's gonna get dirty. Stop running, Mirwais. Hadia, you wait for me. Wait for Daddy. Wait for Daddy, yeah?
My foot's brown.
Yeah, stop running.
You're making my foot brown.
Don't run.
I'm trying.
Hadia, walk slowly, okay?
I'm trying.
And this is my school run. Look,
Daddy.
if you have kids, you all know this
Daddy.
important job.
Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm trying to get the new one.
You getting me, right?
Yeah, we got Daddy.
Yeah, I'm waiting for you, look. Come. Daddy's waiting for you, okay? Wait for Daddy. We need to cross the zebra crossing. Slow down, please. Meanwhile, slow down. Mm. What is it? What did you say, Mirwais? What did you say?
If I get 10,
Yeah?
if I get 10, and I'm gonna go myself, yeah?
Yeah, if you're year 10. And you? Allah Hadia.
If I get 8, you're gonna go by herself, yeah?
Okay.
I'm gonna
How old are you now, Hadia? How old are you? 5.
5.
Yeah. Okay, come.
Let's go.
Careful.
Is that fun?
Well done, guys. Let's go.
This is gonna have something. Yeah.
Can't wait. Hadia. Uh-oh. Come on, come. Come on. go. Puppy. Look. Careful, careful, careful.
Mama.